Hey, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you two different functions that you can use to extract certain text from an already existing cell. It's very simple. It's going to be a very short video. If you find it useful, please don't forget to hit the like button. So this is an Excel sheet that we're going to be using. And as you can see, we have this employee number column with three different sections. The first part of this cell where you can see the 100 denotes the customer support department. So all the hundreds denote someone who is working in the customer support department. The 200s denote someone who's working in the accounts department, the 300s for the operations, and the 400s for the HR. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to bring in all the department IDs alone into this separate column. The second part of the employee number, which is 01, 02, 03, and so on, represent the designation of the employee. So 01 is manager, 02 is assistant manager, 03 is executive, and so on. In this video, we're going to ignore this section of the employee number and get into the last 6 digits of the employee number. This denotes the actual ID of that employee. So this is going to be a unique field. We're going to see how to bring this last 6 digits of this employee number into this ID column. To get the department number, which is the first 3 digits of the employee number, we're going to have to use the left function in Excel. Left, as you can see, returns the specific number of characters from the start of a text string. So let's go ahead and open a bracket and say what is this text that we are going to pull the data from. We can either type in some text, or in our case, we're going to select the text that we already have. Once we've done selecting that text, just hit the comma and it's going to ask you for the number of characters. We need the first 3 characters of every single item on the employee number list. So all we have to do is type in 3, close the bracket and hit enter. As you can see, it's populated 100, which is the first 3 characters from employee number. Now to get the ID, all we have to do is come in here, type equal to right, and here you can see that it returns the specified number of characters from the end of a text string. Open the bracket and again select the text that we want to pull the information from, type in comma, and here in this case we need the last 6 digits of the employee number. So type in 6 and close the bracket. Hit enter and you have now the employee ID in this cell. Now it's going to be very simple to just populate all the other strings. All the 100s, 200s and 300s have appeared in the department column, and all the 6-digit employee IDs have appeared in the ID column. Now click here for more simplified Excel tutorials and leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.